Good morning, Falcons. We're talking about how to turn in sequence image as a compressed folder. Here on the screen, we're looking at some student work. This is a folder called Bunny Hop, and inside we see a series of numbered PNG files. Yeah? The folder is then compressed as a zip file. That's what you want to open up here. And if you come to Teams and you look at Edit Assignment, I wrote it out for you in steps. But I know some of you prefer to watch. So here I am in Photoshop, and I finished my assignment called Cat Grow, and I have all my layers of cats. Under File, I'm going to select Export. You've been here before, and you usually select the first one, and this will give you one single PNG. But I have 8 cats, and I want to go layers to files. I want to create 8 cat PNGs. Click layers to files. Use browse to tell your computer where that's going to go. Make yourself a folder. Give it a name. Click create and open. Under file type, you're going to select PNG 8 if you have very few colors, or PNG 24 if you have many. Click transparency. You want them to be clear. Click trim layers. You cut it for a reason. Click run. If you don't see the files blink, you have not done it correctly. At the end, the computer is going to tell you if it was successful or not. You should be able to click on the Finder, go to the desktop, and find that folder of PNGs. Teams will not take this. Using the right click of your computer, you're going to select compress. That's it.